Okay, guys, welcome back to part 2 of Cat Bird. Let's start. I'm gonna reset. I'm just gonna die for a minute. This is hard. Hmm. I was right about this game. I am gonna die. At every part. But this part is the hardest for me. I think I've been stuck on it for a while. I wish the game could save, like, oh my gosh, stupid commercials. Go away, go away. No one wants to see your stupid freaking commercials. No one wants to freaking see this. Go freaking away. Go 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 away. I have 13 deaths on this already. It's so freaking hard. Oh my gosh, I haven't said a word in this whole video. This is hard, man. Oh my gosh, let me up there. I never been so fast in my life. Hurry up, piece of block. Is there any tricks I can try? No, I almost got it. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking hard. You know what, I'm gonna pause the video and skip this. I think I made a mistake. No, I didn't. I don't know what's going on. Oh, what's this? Oh my gosh. So I got into a different level, not a different I got it from the old place. I didn't get this from the red ball planet. I got it from I got it from a fuzzy pink level. Oh my gosh, it's really hard. Oh my freaking gosh. You know, I'm freaking done. Oh my gosh. There's a secret entrance? That was cool. Actually, I didn't really see what it was, but whatever. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how did I die? I barely go freaking away, please. No one cares about your freaking fresh compilation. Actually, I'm done with this series. What is it now? So I comment on one of Just Memories videos, the video that she made right now, saying that people should not upload dirty content on Gacha Club because Gacha Club is really hard to find when you search up the name on the Google app. And I commented to her video saying, whenever I search up Gacha Club, I can't find it anywhere. And she said, same. Which is very nice. Thank you. You know what? I'm done with this series.